Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I am going to take few trades and I will try to get the maximum results by using the compound trading. Okay, so right now you can see here in this candlestick market is getting the rejection, but I need to wait for the best opportunity. So let's wait. Okay, so I'm waiting because you can see here overall the trend is a downtrend, and right now we are seeing here a ranging market. So if this candle closes here as a bullish, we will go here with the sellers. So I need to wait. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trade in a down direction. I need a good entry point. If the candle goes up, I am going to take the trade now. Here I have taken a trade here in a down direction, and now you will see here we will definitely win this trade, because you can see here this candle is getting the rejection from this round number. You can see here there is a round number, and now you can see the market is trying to go down. So at this time this candle will definitely close here as a bearish. So let's see. Okay, market is trying to go down, and you can see here this is my real account. So I am doing my trading in my real account right now. So now you can see I won this trade. Now after this I am going to take another trade. So let's see. Okay, so right now you can see here market is trying to go down. Buyers and sellers are fighting with each other here. So I need to wait. Okay, right now you can easily see that sellers are getting the weakness. So if the candle goes up a bit more, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction, because here I'm using the compound trading. So I need a good entry point. If the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade. So let's see. Okay, so here I have taken my trade in a down direction, and now you will see here we will definitely win this trade. Okay, let's see. Market will get a huge rejection from this point, and it has to go down. Now you can see market is getting the rejection, because I am seeing here this candle reversed here, and now from this point I took my trade here with this round number with the margin of safety, and now you can see here we will easily win this trade. Okay, so I got here the second winning trade. So okay, so I'm back again. So right now you can see, because of this candlestick I took my trade here in a down direction, and we won this trade because of margin of safety. And now you can see again I saw that market will go down after this weak candlestick. This is a sign that buyers are not strong here, so therefore I took my trade here with the margin of safety, and market closed here, and you can see our analysis were perfect. The next candle also again went down, so therefore I took this trade, and I have some work, therefore I need to leave right now. So you can easily see that I took my trade here. Why? Because you can see sellers are making a new low here and buyer's candle is very weak, so it is making a new low, and as I told you all that overall the trend was a downtrend here. Let me show you here. Overall the trend was a downtrend here. Now you can see market went up, again came down, again went up, so it was kind of ranging. But after this area I can expect easily a seller's entry. Now you can see this level was a level, and previously it also acted here as a level. You can see this one, so therefore I took my trade and market went down, and it is not coming back again to the upside. So because of work I need to leave right now, otherwise my target was that I was expecting here to take at least 10 compound trades, but right now again I'm in a profit. I started from $10, and now you can see I got here one win, and I took this trade with another compound trading, and now you can see again I won. So this is just the answer, because when I get the comments that okay, it was a demo account, something else, so this is the answer for that individual who is talking like this. So I can easily take trades, there is no issue for me. If I start to take trades on a single chart like this, I can predict each and every candlestick. So because of time I need to leave right now and try to learn what I'm trying to tell you all in the videos, and try to help each other because today I'm also not feeling well, so try to help each other. And this is just a motivational video for you all. So if you have any queries, you can ask me anytime. And right now you can see here, if I want to tell you okay now what kind of market is this, so now you can see sellers are fighting strongly again in this momentum. And let me show you here, this is the level here. Okay, so market is trying to break the level, but right now sellers are not getting the power because buyers are getting much stronger here. So okay, let me draw the line here. Now you can see sellers are getting stronger here, and now after this candle, okay, buyers can also enter again, because this is not a clear situation, because right now breakout is not done yet, because this is the level, so we need to wait. And you can see there is a gap down opening here, so this is the gap down opening. And now you can see this is a risky situation. Whenever you get an opening price like this, you can expect here also a bullish candle. So this is what we can expect, and this is how we can analyze the market. So if you have any queries, you can ask me anytime. I am there for you all. So try to help each other. Now you can see because of this gap down opening, as I have mentioned here, market is trying to go up. So if you take your trade here and there is a gap down opening, it will be a bit risky for you all. So as I know here that the candle will close here also as a bullish, so therefore I explained this point to you all. Because what is the main theme behind the gap down opening? Now you can see, if it is opening from this point, then it means that at least it will close here like a bullish candle. Okay, let me draw the candle again, because my main aim is to tell you all what is good for you all. So right now you can see gap down opening means okay, you will get here a candle like this, a bullish, although you took your trade here in a down direction, but you will lose. So this is a risky situation. So right now you can see the sellers are getting much stronger, so the next candle can also try to go down. So this is how we can predict the candles, and you can easily take your trades like this, because you can see this is an engulfing candlestick here. Let me show you here the engulfing pattern. This is an engulfing candlestick, and you can also expect here a bearish candle also. But what I want to tell you all, that again the same thing, you can see here the gap up opening. It is very much dangerous while you take your trades, because now you can see here market closed here. Okay, now you can, let me show you here, because I have to leave right now, so let me show you all. Now you can see market closed here. Okay, let me show you here. This was the level, market closed here, and now you can see the opening price above this closing price. So it means that market can deceive you here, and if the opening price was here, the next candle will be a bearish candle also. So this is how we can easily take our trades. So I need to leave. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our channel Trading Skills, and try to share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.